Why are people leaving California? I'm gonna give you one reason today. Obviously, those who are leaving, everyone is an individual, everyone has their own reasons, but one reason is taxes. Everybody has their own final reason on why they leave, but one reason that I know for sure is taxes. California state income taxes. Let's talk about it. There's all kinds of different types of taxes. We have property taxes, federal income taxes, we have capital gains taxes, estate taxes, sales taxes, just to name a few. And what happens? Well, California state income tax is one of those taxes. And when we are in California and we're showing the income, we have to pay California state income tax. So what happens is that, why are people leaving? There are some states, maybe you've heard some people moving to Texas or Florida or Nevada. These are some states that have a zero state income tax. Now, how on earth does that work? Well, I looked up what the average salary is in California, and it came up on Google through ZipRecruiter. It was about $62,000 a year. $62,000 a year in California is going to pay about 9.3% state income tax. Okay, so we're talking about state income tax, 9.3%. The highest state income tax bracket in California is 13.3%. So you're really only 4 percentage points away from the highest state income tax if you make the average salary or the average income in the state of California according to ZipRecruiter. So what does that mean? If you can take that same exact income and move to another state, you don't pay those 9.3% state income taxes. There are other taxes, right? We talked about all the other ones. But the point is that if you can move a few hours away and you can avoid paying these state income taxes, some people are doing that. I have a client that one day he tells me, I have a property in a different state, which is my primary residence, but I also have a property in California. And I live 6 months and a day in a different state. So it allows me to say that my primary residence is not in California. These are creative ways that people are trying to get around the state income tax. Because if you can own a property and claim it as a primary residence in a different state, potentially you can avoid paying the California state income tax. And so you guys know, I hope that this prompts you to do some research of your own. Don't kill the messenger. All I'm doing is sharing some information because I've noticed a lot of people really were not informed on taxes, how they work, and why we pay them. And obviously, taxes are a really important part of society. Again, there may be a whole bunch of different reasons and why finally someone decides to move. But one of the reasons, without a doubt, is California state income tax. I hope this was helpful. Leave a comment. Hope you like it. I hope most importantly that this was of value to you. If it was, please give us a like and subscribe and share so that our army can keep growing. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Take care. Lastly, I wanted to share with you, recently you may have heard that Joe Rogan moves to a state called Texas, which happens to have no state income tax. Is that a coincidence? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe you can check out his podcast and he'll give you he'll maybe explain in more detail why he left. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in and we'll see you guys soon.